My general area looks at the social and informational factors that play roles in management and the behavior in organizations. So in that context, I have research interests in team performance, work group performance as one area. Another is in the whole area of judgment and decision making. And then a third area is work motivation and morale, how people are motivated at work and the morale they have for the work they do. So those are the general areas in which I do research. For the team performance and work group, I've done a lot of work with the Air Force, and I've been working with their flight crews, flight teams, and how to make them more effective, how to make training more effective. In the judgment and decision-making area, on the management side of things, how do you decide on the goals that people should be pursuing for their performance is one issue. And then how, when you allocate decisions, such as budgets and funding, how do you make those kinds of decisions? What are the factors that play a role in allocation decisions? Related to that has also been some work I've done on how juries and jurors make decisions socially and interactively when they have a bunch of information that they have to process to make a decision. Then in the work motivation, most recently, I've been working on how do people get motivated for safety and security behaviors. So today happens to be the anniversary of the bombings of the Madrid train station. Since then, there's been a lot of development on security, transportation security. How do you motivate those individuals who are involved in making sure the wrong behaviors don't occur? How do you motivate them to engage in the safety and security behaviors that are required? So those are sort of some of the applications of the research I've been doing over the years. I have a number of projects I'm doing. Primarily what I wanted to do is to come and have informal interactions with the many faculty and the graduate students here at the university, particularly in the department I'm housed in. That's been my primary objective, and I've been doing that already. Another one is to publish a paper on a theory of cooperative group decision-making. How is it that groups make decisions? And there's some rules that we've uncovered over the last decades that we can put together into a general theory of how groups make decisions. So that's a major project that I've been working on. Another project I was talking about motivating safety and security behaviors is I want to push that towards a theory of motivated safety and security behaviors. How can we get a theory? In particular, one application of that I have that I didn't mention is food safety, food security. How do we make sure that the food that people have to consume is clean and uncontaminated? And a lot of that depends on the human as one of the key parts of making sure in the process of food procurement and processing that the food is safe. How do we motivate those people? And I've been working on a theory in that direction.